Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to give you my top 5 reasons why you should consider the Signal messaging app. So in no particular order, I'm just going to go through the top 5 reasons why I think you should consider the app. First one on the list is probably the most obvious, which is surrounding data and data encryption in particular. So Signal is an open source app. It is open source end-to-end encryption, meaning that the conversations that you have with other people, whether it be one-to-one or in a group message, are safe and secure. Not only that, it also means that not even the company themselves can access your information or your data. So once you've used your mobile number to sign up to the app, that is the only time they will ever use that information. And from that point on, they will no longer have any access to your conversations or any information you put on your personal profile. Number 2 on the list of top 5 reasons why I think you should consider the Signal messaging app is the fact that it has a nifty feature called Note to Self. Now, this is exactly what it says on the tin. This is a functionality where you can just write yourself a note and come back to it later. Key benefits? Well, if you are in the midst of a conversation and saving you leaving the app and coming back to it, you can just write yourself a little note, whether it be a shopping list, favourite movie to watch, and come back to it at a later date. Third on my list is screen security. So this is the functionality to be able to prevent screenshots being taken while in a conversation. So a key benefit of this is probably when you're in group messaging. If you're in a work group chat and it's quite a sensitive group chat scenario, you can have it so any information you share in there, i.e. whether it be images, whether it be confidential conversations, you can prevent the conversation being screenshot. So that's quite a nifty feature for the ones that need that extra security. And continuing with the security feature, we come to number 4 with disappearing messages. So as you can see here, when you go into the settings, again, whether it's one-to-one conversations or a group message, you can actually toggle the message to stay permanent, or you can choose between different options in terms of how long that message can be viewed for. Anything from a minute all the way up to a week as a maximum currently. So this is, again, another way of adding that extra layer of security, whether it be a personal conversation you're having with a friend, family member, or a work conversation with some confidential information. And last but not least is group messages and admins. So one of the most frustrating things I've had with WhatsApp in the past is the fact that I'll join a group, whether it be a work group, and if I've made that group, before I leave, I need to either nominate an admin, or if I just leave the group, it will automatically nominate anybody as an admin. Now, as a default on the Signal app, when you join a group, it is set to everybody as an admin, which you can toggle on and off. And as the lead admin, you can still have the ability to actually toggle the extra layer of security where an invite can be sent out to another person, an admin can be added, but you still approve that person before they join the group. So it just gives you that extra layer of kind of security, makes it a little bit easier in terms of how you manage the group, and you don't then have to worry about individually adding people as admins as on previous apps. Well, those are my top 5 reasons why you should consider the Signal app. There's plenty of other features in the Signal app that you can go and explore. If you've got any questions on the app itself, drop a comment down below. If you've liked what you've seen, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more information. Take care.